Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your MyFitnessPal account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your MyFitnessPal account, start by opening your web browser. Visit the MyFitnessPal website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in your email address, chosen username, and password in the required fields. After this, read through the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've reviewed them, click the checkbox to agree. Next, click the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and find the email from MyFitnessPal. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email. This will redirect you back to the MyFitnessPal website. You may be prompted to log in using your username and password. Enter your login credentials and click the Login button. Once logged in, you can begin customizing your profile. Set your fitness goals by following the on-screen prompts. Complete any additional setup steps as guided by the app. Congratulations! Your MyFitnessPal account is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.